Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to fix the problem where Instagram shows your friends as AI right from your iPhone. If you're new here, tap subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's jump into the steps. Update Instagram. Open the App Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then tap Privacy. Make sure your account's privacy is set the way you want. Report the issue to Instagram. Go to Settings and Privacy, Help, Report a problem. Choose Something Isn't Working. Explain that Instagram is labeling your friends as AI. Be specific and attach a screenshot if you can. Log out and log in again. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Log back in using your account info. Step 6. Reinstall Instagram. Press and hold the Instagram app. Tap Remove App, then Delete App. Go back to the App Store and reinstall Instagram. That's it. Hopefully, this fixed your problem. If it helped, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more.